Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start in GTA Online with your active character. Once in, go straight to Appearance via the interaction menu or walk into any barber shop. You need to confirm your account has the necessary DLC or updates and note your current rank. Some paints remain locked until you hit a required level. If you have the necessary content, select the makeup or face paint category now. This gets you to the first actionable screen where paints are shown, so you can begin unlocking or buying options immediately. Once you're viewing face paints, pick any locked design to see the exact unlock requirement. It will say a rank, mission, or DLC pack. If it's a rank requirement, play job playlists or missions to earn RP until you meet it. If it's mission-based, complete that specific mission or challenge. Alternatively, some paints are sold as part of content packs. Make sure the pack is installed and then purchase in the menu. When bought or unlocked, apply the paint and save your appearance before exiting. After unlocking or buying a face paint, apply it and save the outfit slot so you can re-equip quickly. Make sure it persists across sessions by relogging. If a paint remains locked despite meeting requirements, double-check you installed the correct DLC and that the game is fully updated. Also confirm your rank on the pause screen. If problems persist, restart your session or console/PC, reinstall the content pack, and only then contact Rockstar Support with your account details for a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.